Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and it's summertime, so I want to look through Beach House Baking, an endless summer of delicious desserts, even though I don't have a beach house. But I might get invited to go to someone else's beach house, and then I could bake them things. The author is Lei Shishak, photographs by Chow Vuong, and let's jump on in. When did this come out? April 2015, not too long ago. Publisher is Skyhorse Publishing. They do a lot of good cookbooks. Here's a beachy scene. Contents: introduction, tools, ingredients, morning treats, beachy beverages. Ooh, I'm getting thirsty. Cupcakes, happy hour cupcakes. Oh, I'm going to like this cookbook. Cookies and brownies, handcrafted ice cream sandwiches, frozen pops, pies, crisps, a cobbler, and a cheesecake. Classics. I don't often bake when I'm at someone else's beach house, though, because I'm busy hanging out on the beach, getting sunburned, getting tipsy, coming in to hydrate and put on aloe. But it would be nice if you're a guest at a beach house to cook them something. Okay, and they've marked the recipes with either heart healthy, perfect for picnics at the beach, vegan, gluten-free, quick prep, or favorite. Nice. Okay, morning treats chapter. Let's start off. For example, beautiful blueberry scones. That's nice to make in the morning. Maple pecan sticky buns. Yep. A buckwheat waffle cakes. That would probably taste really good. Lover's coffee cake. Beach's best granola ever. Cranberry nut scones. More scones. Beachy beverages. Ice cold lemonade. Agave margaritas. Now you're talking. Tropical tea. Fruit punch. Here's what the tropical tea looks like. Nice. Here's the fruit punch. Okay, let's move along. Coconut chai tea latte. Now we're in the cupcakes chapter. Ooh. S'mores cupcakes. Cute. Red velvet Riviera. Ooh. A moist pumpkin cupcakes. Nice for autumn beach visits. Banana pecan cupcakes with honey buttercream. Yum, if you like buttercream. Here's the happy hour cupcakes, including red wine cupcakes with blackberry mascarpone mousse, pint o' Guinness cupcakes, etc. Here's Jamaican rum cupcakes. Let's get to the next chapter, cookies and brownies. There's a lot of cookies and brownies in here. Wow, I'm going to try and find something awesome. Cocoa nut macaroons, modern snickerdoodle, not sure what makes it modern. Panko cookies, ooh, that's intriguing. Old-fashioned peanut butter cookies. Yum. A crowd pleaser unless you have people that are allergic to peanut butter in your house. Flat and chewy chocolate chip cookies. Gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. That's nice of them to include that, especially back in 2015 when it wasn't really a trend yet. Okay, tsunamis. This cookbook is kind of wide. I'm having trouble holding it. Ooh, molasses cookies. Ginger Bay Cabana Boys. Cute. Santorini Exalted bars. Paradise cookie pie. Madeleines. That's a good to have a recipe for. That's easy to make. Beach blondies. Sunbursts. Oh, cute. They look like Linzer cookies. We're still in the cookies and brownies. Okay. Okay, frozen pops. Such as peach green tea. That looks so refreshing. Strawberry. What? Excuse me. This cookbook is heavy. Mango yogurt swirl. So you can see the photography is a little outdated and not fabulous, but it's getting the job done. And I want to try a lot of the things they're making, such as orange pico blackberry. Graham crust. Oh, we're making crust. Step-by-step photos. You know I love those. That's very helpful. And apple and ginger and pear oh my. Real extreme close-ups. Not the best photography, but this berry burst pie looks delicious. Strawberry rhubarb honey crisp in a cocktail glass. Candied pumpkin pie. Love that idea. Lemon ricotta cracked cheesecake. Well, all my cheesecakes crack anyway, so that's perfect for me. So, oh, and a ruby cake. So that is Beach House Baking, a perfectly acceptable beach house cookbook. Could be a nice gift for your friend that just got a beach house. And then you could be like, hint, invite me. Thanks for watching. You can see more of our cookbook look-throughs, reviews, and previews at Cookbook Divas, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. We're not on Snapchat or TikTok. We don't have time. Twitter, not so much. And we have a website with cookbook news, and we have a podcast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Teach the social media algorithms that you like to see our videos by liking and commenting them. Bye.